In one big village lived a funny baker named Bob. He had a small bakery at the market. Bob loved to bake all kinds of delicious treats. One morning he woke up late. "Oh no, I must bake fast," he said. He ran to the kitchen and started working. First, he made bread in a big loaf. Then he baked buns and sweet donuts. But something was strange. The food started to move. The roll rolled off the table. The cookies jumped. The pie laughed. "What is happening?" Bob shouted. The pretzel danced. The bagel spun in circles. The torte and cake had a little party. Then the cupcake sang a song. The puff roll clapped. The pancakes and fritters played hide and seek. The waffles made a pyramid. Then a big casserole started talking. "Bob, you are the best baker in the world!" Bob smiled. Suddenly, the meringue exploded. Poof! Bob opened his eyes. Oh, it was just a dream. But his bakery smelled wonderful. "Time to bake," he said and smiled.